Hi, and welcome to another not exactly exorcism session. I am continuing with Lean, and this is the second video. In the first video I was able to build a hello world in Lean. Let me show you. So I'm following the Haskell track on exorcism, and I just redid the first exercise in Lean. Now I want to try something very simple, but I want to figure out how to set up tests and to set up to set up my editor and development environment. So let's look at Leap iteration 4. What I need to do, I need to port this solution to Lean, and I need to set up the tests. Let's do that. Code, learn, exorcism, Lean. Let's create a Leapyear. Let's look how it was done in Haskell. Oh, I don't have the sources. Okay, let's download it again. It was on the other installation. Exorcism, download, track Haskell. Exercise is... Yeah, my keyboard is really old. What's it called? Maybe just Leap. Yeah, it's called Leap. And what tests did we have here? Let's look at tests. So year is not divisible by 4 in common. Yeah, okay, so here we have the tests. Let's... No, I will not be copying them. Yeah, cd Leapyear, VS Code start. Yeah, let's trust it. Okay, and we have the main. Server was stopped. You are running Lean in a directory without Lean package toml. Oh, it looks like I need a newer extension, not the extension for Lean 3, because I'm using Lean 4. Lean 3 support. Lean 4. Oh, okay. Let's enable it in this workspace, and let's disable the previous Lean in this workspace. Now let's do reload. Is everything okay? Let's open something. Yeah, we do have the language server, we do have the Lean feedback here, Lean messages, we do have syntax highlighting, we can go to definition. Wow, that's more than I expected from such a new and niche language. Yeah, that's really a sign of quality. Yeah. Okay, what do we do next? First of all, yeah, maybe let's look for existing examples. Lean for testing. Nice, we already have a manual. No, I don't want to test Lean itself. I want to be able to run my tests. Okay, let's go back. I need to watch that later. Um, Lake test. Does it support something like test? Unknown command test. Maybe I do need to use lake scripts, or what is it called? Or maybe there is a twist in here, so we can actually formulate the test examples for Haskell as theorems and prove them. I like that. Let's try. Let's try it. So let's look at the Haskell tests. Whatever. And what do these tests say? The first one says that the year not divisible by 4 is a common year. Yeah, that's a thorny problem to try to write as a theorem. Year divisible. Basically, the theorem will be just repeating the definition of the function itself, of the subject on the test. So, what do I do? Can I use examples? Okay. Leap here. And it takes a year of type Interesting. Does Haskell test negative years before the epoch? No. So yeah, I think I can use not. Yeah, it's really overthinking, I think. And the return type is bool, and the definition is just sorry. We haven't implemented it yet. Okay, so let's. Do we have such thing as example? Expected end of input expected. So what do we want to say? We want to say that is Leapyear has a property of so 2015 must be false. Expected end of input, and let's say sorry again. And declaration uses sorry. Well, obviously. So what's false? False is a prop. Okay. So what's a lowercase false? Is it the Boolean false? Yeah, that's a Boolean false. And maybe let's just say by simplification. And here it obviously fails to prove that because the declaration here uses sorry. Perfect. So, what can we do? So I can just write the logic in here and to make the first test pass, I can just check for divisibility by 4. So that's basically here remainder from division by 4 is computationally equal to 0. And now it works. What's the next case? Let's look at Haskell. Year is not divisible by 4 in common year. How do I do Gilliams? What are they called? No, I don't want that thing. How do I do French quotes? French quotes, letter. Gulmaze? How do I say that? How do I pronounce that? Okay. Gilmore left. Gilmore right. Okay. Yeah, that's a false start. Letter. Unicode. No, maybe I have that in my keyboard layout somewhere. I do, and that actually works. Failed to insert binder type. Whoa. Non-lib common year. Okay, that doesn't work. Yeah, well, yeah, I did expect something else. Okay, let's not think about this too much. And what is the next example? 1970 divisible by 2, but not divisible by... Interesting. Can I do this? Can I express this as a property somehow? What would I need to find? It's a good question. Let's just make all of the tests pass first. Year divisible by 4 but not divisible by 100 in leap year. Yeah, I really need to find a testing framework for that. Unresolved goals. Why? Oh, well, because it's true. Yeah, expected true. Right. Sorry. My bad. Year divisible by 4 and 5 is still a leap year, 1960. Good. That's true. Year divisible by 100, not divisible by 400 in common year. So 2100 is not a leap year. And now it will start failing. It must be false, and it fails for a good reason, because I need to check if here if the remainder of division of year by 100 is equal to 0, then it's false, else Yeah, let's do it like this. Now it passes in the tests. Year divisible by 100 but not by 3 is still a leap year. So 1900 is not a leap year. Yeah, let's do that. It's not a leap year. Where did I switch? Year divisible by 400 is a leap year. For example, our good old 2000. And it must be a leap year. And yes, obviously the implementation does not account for that yet. So if it's divisible by 400 and it's equal to 0, then it's true. And I do need my else here. Maybe I could just... yeah, let's be fancy. So I take a natural number, I return a bool, and then I immediately pattern match if... do they not have if clauses in pattern matching? Which kind of makes sense, but... whatever. No, I want to keep this this form. This simple and understandable form. Yeah. And now they all seem to pass to 2400 is also a leap year. And year divisible by 200, not divisible by 400. For example, 1080 is not a leap year. And here we have it. So I think we are good, but what I would like to have is to have names. And in order to do that, let's look at the Lean example. What is the syntax for that? Clause. And here, let's look for example. No, not Lean by example. I mean the example as a keyword. Yeah, they are not keen on that. Okay. I think everything works. And it's been almost 20 minutes, so yeah. Let's stop now, and thanks for watching, and I will think of how to make this type level. Thanks, bye.